I gave some old beach chairs a colourful new makeover. Here's how I wove new seats for them using macrame. You'll need a 90-metre long ball of 6mm macrame cord for each colour in this project. Start on the left at the front seat bar and tie a tight double knot. Then pull your cord up behind the back seat bar to the top bar of the backrest. At the top, create a loop. You always want to have the loose piece of cord attached to the ball positioned on the same side as the direction you're weaving in. Wrap the loop from the front around to the back of the top bar and out to the left of your cords. Hold it in place with a 16mm crochet hook and make sure the tension is tight. Take the loose cord, the one attached to the ball, and bring it back down under the back seat bar to the front seat bar, keeping the tension tight. Repeat the same looping techniques on this bar and secure with a second crochet hook. Okay, now take the loose cord back up under the back seat bar to the top bar again. Make a loop with the loose cord facing to the right and wrap it over the top bar, this time bringing it around in between this new pair of cords and the ones you created first. So from now on, we're working in pairs of cords. Push the crochet hook through the front of this new loop, then pull the loop through the one already on your hook. Make sure to keep that tension tight. Repeat this step down on the bottom bar. You can now repeat these steps to continue the knotting across the entire chair frame. When you get to the end and you can't knot any further, trim the cord, leaving enough for 2 more passes. On the front seat bar, create a loop, this time bringing it to the very outside of your weave. Push the crochet hook through as normal, but this time remove the hook completely and pull the cord all the way through. To complete this weave, repeat that step at the top bar. Once you've pulled this cord all the way through, tie it off with a tight triple knot. Then trim the cord, leaving a 15cm tail. To create a woven pattern with a second colour, you can either design one yourself or use an existing design. In my blog post, I've included suggestions on where to find these. The knotting techniques are exactly the same as the first colour, you just do them across the horizontal bars in 2 separate batches, one for the seat and one for the back. When you are completely done, weave the tails through the back sides of your design, then use a lighter to fuse the ends to the back for a secure, neat finish. Don't forget to check out my blog post for all my making notes, and make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more DIYs. Thanks for watching!